I don't believe that this is the beginning of a multi-year or multi-decade boom in commodity prices. I believe that this is a cyclical trend. I think that the rise in commodity prices has been far exacerbated above the normal demand, simply because of how damaged supply chains are and how difficult it has been to source some of these materials. So there's no question that the rise in commodity prices is quite alarming. However, I think that you have to discount some of the rise for supply chains, and then there truly is legitimate organic demand for these commodities. But as long as, if I go back here, as long as the United States and the global economy is on this trend, commodity prices are going to have a very, very difficult time staging sustained increases. If you think of the last time there was big inflation in the United States, real GDP growth. So in the 1970s was big inflation. Real GDP growth, which excludes inflation, was almost 3% over a 20-year period. So for 20 years straight, the United States was averaging 3% real growth. Today, we're only averaging 1%. That leads to a lot of excess capacity, a lot of underutilization of resources. And as long as both nominal growth and real growth are trending lower, it should be very difficult for commodities to stage a very long-lasting. The cyclical trends give us a very good idea of what the next 3 to 6 months will look like. And the secular trends give us a very good idea of what the 3 to 5 year view looks like. This middle period, which is, I guess, 6 months to 18 months or 6 months to 36 months, that's a little bit foggy. And basically, we have a continual 3 to 6 month view. So if we talk again next month, the cyclical indicators will look differently, and I can give you a new update as is the economy still showing momentum. But over the next couple of months, the momentum is still higher. But no, I don't expect commodity supercycle because of trends like this. So I generally believe that some of the enthusiasm of cryptocurrencies is based on a misunderstanding of some of the monetary economics. I don't believe we're printing money. So I believe that aspect of cryptocurrencies is misguided. I also think that there's a significant portion of cryptocurrencies, at least in the United States, that are being used illicitly, mainly to avoid taxation. There was recently a report yesterday that came out from the DOJ and the FBI looking at ways that they can tax cryptocurrencies. So I guess my views on cryptocurrencies would be no, I don't expect them to replace the dollar or any other major currency of the world. I think that the main premise behind them, if the premise is money printing, is based on a flawed view of the monetary system. But with that said, there may be more nuances to some of these other currencies or altcoins or coins other than Bitcoin, which I'm not completely familiar with. So those are my high level views on Bitcoin.